Welcome to Tutor Kids.
Hi children! Today we will revise numbers from 0 to 9 and colors that we learned. Yellow, pink, orange, this is number 0. Pink, dark green, light blue, this is number 1. Red, pink, this is number 2. Light blue, pink, yellow, this is number 3. Yellow, light green, this is number 4. Light green, orange, this is number 5. Purple, yellow, this is number 6. Gray, brown, this is number 7. Pink, dark blue, this is number 8. Brown, dark green, this is number 9.
A, B, C, D,
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
E,
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X,
F,
Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
G,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O,
H,
P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X,
I,
Y, and Z. Now I
J,
know my ABCs. Next time, won't you
K,
sing with me?
L, M, N,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J,
O,
K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
P,
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
Q,
Next time, won't you sing with me?
R,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
S,
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T,
T,
U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my
U,
ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
V, W, X, Y, Z, now let's color them. Yellow,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J,
Blue,
K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
Red,
Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R,
Green,
S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
pink, orange,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
brown,
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
gray,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R,
Yellow,
S, T, U, V, W,
Blue,
X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
red,
Next time, won't you sing with me?
green, pink, orange, brown, gray,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N,
Yellow.
V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Blue.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R,
Red.
S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Green. Pink. Orange.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R,
Brown.
S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time,
Gray.
won't you sing with me?
Red.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
Green.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Thank you for watching. See you next time.